Let's make keto bagels with only 5 ingredients. These are absolutely delicious and they taste just like real bagels, just without the carbs. First, we're going to separate the eggs from the egg yolks. I'm using a Dash hand mixer bestowed upon me by Lady Elaine. As always, I'll leave the links in the description of this video for all the tools and ingredients I used to make this amazing recipe. As the egg whites are mixing, we'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of Cream of Tartar, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of Swerve Keto Sweetener. Then we'll mix the batter until it's evenly combined. I switched out the mixer tool for beaters. And now the egg whites are really gonna fluff up now. It should triple in size. And then I scrape down the sides to make sure everything is evenly combined. And now I'm going to combine a 1/2 cup of egg white powder to the mix. This is the exact consistency we're looking for, just like whipped cream. Now we're going to add the mixture onto a silicone mat shaped like bagels. Add some everything but the bagel seasoning on top. And place the mat onto a pan. And into the oven, preheating at 325 degrees for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Hope you enjoy.